On April 2nd, the negotiations taking place in Ashgabat between the President of Turkmenistan Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov and the Secretary General of the United Nations Organization Ban Ki-moon, who came to the Turkmen capital with his official visit. After the official greeting ceremony, the President of Turkmenistan and the head of the largest international organization were photographed against the flags of Turkmenistan and the United Nations. Then Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov invited Ban Ki-moon in the Chimney Hall, where bilateral negotiations took place in private. During the meeting, the sides discussed some questions of regional and world policy represented mutual interest. Further, the negotiations proceeded in the enlarged structure, with participation of members of the delegations from both sides. Once again, warmly welcoming the honored guest and all members of the representative delegation led by him, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov thanked Ban Ki-moon for visiting Turkmenistan, underlining the special importance of this visit, which marks the new important stage in the history of cooperation between the Turkmen state and the United Nations Organization, developing particularly actively and fruitfully lately. As the head of the state noted, Turkmenistan, proceeding from its neutral status based on peaceful disposition and good neighborhood, adopted a number of the important acts proclaiming refusal of possession, manufacture, storage and transportation of nuclear, chemical, bacteriological and other types of weapon of mass destruction, stressing the importance of the largest projects of transnational significance, in particular of the initiated by the Turkmen side civil engineering design of the gas pipeline Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India. The head of the state noticed that construction of this pipeline can make essential impact on economic growth of Afghanistan, help us solve the important social problems including employment of the population, promote attraction of investments that will finally have positive influence on political condition in the country. Within the framework of the meeting, the President of Turkmenistan mentioned also other urgent for the region questions, including preservation of the Aral and the decision of water and energy problems in the Central Asia. Then the Secretary General of the United Nations Organization, Ban Ki-moon, was asked to speak, speaking about value of the policy pursued by the Turkmen state in the field of maintenance of peace and stability in the region. The Secretary General of the United Nations noted the necessity of the further consolidation of the general efforts for achievement of this goal. Turkmenistan is the reliable exporter of gas to the world market, Mr. Ban Ki-moon told, underlining that the United Nations supports and considers very important the project on building of the gas pipeline Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, initiated by the Turkmen side. Focusing attention on urgent ecological issues and in particular concerning problems of the Aral Sea, the Secretary General of the United Nations stressed the value of creation of the International Fund for the Aral Sea, and in this context the importance of work of the UN Regional Center on Preventive Diplomacy in the Central Asia. In conclusion of his speech, Mr. Ban Ki-moon expressed sincere gratitude to the President of Turkmenistan, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, for the support rendered to the United Nations agencies operating in the country, including the Regional Center on Preventive Diplomacy in the Central Asia, including that, for its part, the United Nations is ready for expansion of strategic partnership with Turkmenistan. After the negotiations, President Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov and the Secretary General of the United Nations, Ban Ki-moon, gave the brief address to the press. Immediately after the negotiations with the head of the Turkmen state, Ban Ki-moon, and members of the delegation visited Kipchak, where they laid flowers to the mausoleum at the Mosque of Spirituality of Turkmenbashi. Further, the motorcade of the head of the United Nations proceeded to the south of the Turkmen capital, where the picturesque foothills of the Köbekdağ, the headquarters of the UN Regional Center on Preventive Diplomacy in the Central Asia, is located. At the press conference there, to which numerous foreign and domestic journalists were invited. After the press conference, the head of the United Nations proceeded to the residence assigned for him, and after a short rest, visited the Office of Resident Mission of the United Nations in Turkmenistan. Then the motorcade of the Secretary General of the United Nations drove to a building of the Turkmen National Institute for Democracy and Human Rights at the President of Turkmenistan, where the meeting with heads and executives of the institute, members of the Mejlis and the large public organizations of nationwide movement Galkanish, and also some ministers and departments of the country took place. After the meeting, Ban Ki-moon proceeded to the Khatike Horse Racing Complex of the President of Turkmenistan, where he with a great interest examined the grandiose complex, which does not have an alex in the region, which is located in a picturesque place near Ashgabat. In the evening, the President of Turkmenistan gave the official sapi in honor of the high guest, at which Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov and Ban Ki-moon exchanged speeches. After the supper, the President of Turkmenistan, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, and the UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon warmly said goodbye to each other.